don't do it yet. Hey guys, this is David here, and we're going to be doing a pretty long, well, it's our longest made stream, and since I'm saying our, it's me and Kira. Just let you know, she's not my girlfriend, so don't spam it in the comments that she is, okay? There's a bunch of waterfalls that are way bigger than this, so I know it ain't gonna be biggest. It's gonna be our biggest that we've made, okay? I hope you like it. Now let's go. We did a little, but that was just experimenting to make sure it worked. Now let's do this. Okay, you can tell it started right here, then it kept going. It made this like mini Lake Ontario and this Genesee River. Kira, we need a lot more. Kira, we need more. And I think it would be better to do it I think right here, because you see all these cracks? It would look cool. I'm trying to do this for YouTube. So Kira, I'll see you guys once you get set. Give me a minute.
Mom.
What?
My mom never got me a YouTube account.
Okay guys, we're back. I paused it for a minute so she can get the water so you guys don't have to wait now. Do it right here for the sake of YouTube, okay? Make sure it doesn't go all the way in the grass though. Only put a little just to experiment. If it doesn't work, we'll go back, we'll try it here. It's working. Keep it. And do it faster for YouTube. So yes guys, this is what that done. It got all through these cracks. And now it's also going down, down, down. We need more. So guys, once again, we'll be right back. So let's do this. Guys, we're back. So we filled it up again. Now remember where we do it. Okay, you can start now.
Floating leaf.
No, well, let's do this. She's about to pour it. So let's just make its way down. Beautiful, like Mother Nature.
Wait, do you have any dye or paint?
What?
Do you have any dye or paint?
No.
Darn it. Are we gonna do something?
We need more.
Huh?
Do you think this is enough?
Yeah.
So guys,
Look at it, it's still going.
let's check it out. It starts
Show me climb a tree.
here. Okay?
Turn the blare
And
down.
then it goes. Yep, it goes. Then this. So guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you subscribe and like that button. And comment what you want me to do next. So bye!
And we're